this, but then if I turn it into this, you know, I'm like, bro,
It is, bro.
too
It's
much.
fucking
Yeah,
dumb,
that's what I'm saying. Just tell me what it is. Oh my gosh.
No, hijo de puta!
The fuck here.
That's still here.
I need mid-caliber rounds.
Filthy. Pussy.
Your squad mates redeploying. Well done.
I think they're both right.
Destroy it. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Oh, they're banging out over here too.
Yeah, I got two people
Wait,
on
there's
me.
just so many people. I don't even know what's going on, honestly. Dude, what?
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Oh, on me.
I'm
What
coming
the
to you.
fuck?
I'm full team on me. I'm trying to get over to you.
Oh, hell no. Get on. Oh, they're all chasing me.
Friendly airstrike in the AO.
We're swerving though.
Requesting ordnance. Position marked.
Airstrike inbound now.
Swerving right now. No, we're just moving. Repeat.
There's people behind us, by the way. Pushing us.
Still a team right below us.
Yeah, there's someone around. I hear these rats just going around.
There's three people next to us, Alex.
Yeah, yeah, outside the door.
I've been holding fire.
Fuck.
One more.
Tac map. Get hunting.
One more below us.
Are you sure? I'm down here.
Oh.
Oh
Edge
my
of the
god,
map.
where shot that guy? Thank you. Oh, suck that ball.
Bro, what is going on? Oh my god, it's a decoy. There's no way. Who's just fucking decoys? Shit on that guy?
You little bitch.
Oh, me. Oh, I mean, no, it's
No.
two.
Yeah,
They
there's
stacked. He's rezzing right there. On the ping.
Alive to bring them back.
Fuck. Yes.
I downed
No.
him. I downed him.
Nice. Ooh, shit on, shit on, shit on.
We located the rest of them.
God, man, we can't kill
Oh,
these guys.
dude, there's a fucking drone in here, man. He's right underneath us here.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Got you. That is here.
Yes, sir, papa.
More margaritas.
Oh shit. Shit.
Loadout drop headed your way.
I mortared them, I mortared them.
No, swinging that crab on behind
I
me. Behind
can't.
me.
Where?
Oh no, there's three. Get out of there, three.
Dude, there's more outside. There's more outside too, dude.
Oh, is there more? Bro? There's so many
Yeah, I was
people,
getting
bro.
shot at the gas. I was getting shot at the gas station.
Could make our way to Lodi.
Yeah, I'm not done.
Yeah, there's a team already there. Just be careful. They're at gas station.
You're getting another chance. Make it count.
Most likely. Oh, there's a team already there. Watch out, right here, right here. That's all you.
Nasty
The
heady.
third guy's right here. Yeah, third guy's there. Bad fight. You might want to. They're pushing up hard. One's landing on loadout. One's landing on loadout.
Yeah, back.
Right.
You're losing
Yeah.
ground. Move it.
Thank you, sir. What the fuck? Oh. It's bugging.
Go find out.
Marking the rest of the squad on your tac map. Go get hunting.
Popping Yuri.
Got one up there.
This guy gonna run through the smoke like.
Oh, no way. I did not see this guy.
I have no ammo.
I'm loot this guy right here, right here. Right
I
here.
can't. I have no ammo. I have no ammo.
Oh,
I
yeah,
literally
yeah,
no
yeah,
ammo.
yeah. Never mind. Oh, I'm gonna the open too. Fuck me.
Your squad mates redeploying.
Yeah,
Well done.
yeah, they're here, they're here. Wait a minute. You bait me.
Or just shit on him.
This guy's running a cat.
Wait, that guy just fried Lou.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't pick up the ram. Oh,
I got plans. You guys got plans.
Dude, I hate this game so much. Dude. You're getting held out. I don't know. If you guys have to go around, I think. Like, they're just holding the wall. They're gonna look at easy looks over you. I found you. Right in front of us here, or is that above us?
Grenade here.
I think it's above. Yeah, right above us.
Nope, right here.
Right here.
Nice. On you. That guy's one in there. Holy shit. They're outside. No hits.
Durable mask here. I'm looking for smokes. Give me a smoke.
You have a mask. You have a mask.
Yeah, we have masks. You wanna go? Oh, go here. Go.
Goodbye.
Where's the
Yeah,
mask?
yeah, yeah. Oh, the mask's out here, right here, right here.
Moving in.
I'll hit the buy.
Yep.
Safe zone's a ways out. You need to get moving.
I got you. I got Louis.
You can bite you out probably too.
I got you.
probably.
Yeah, I got it.
I'm landing you guys right now.
Alex, come this way.
Alright. On you.
Actually, no, stay back first. Hide under this.
Oh my fuck.
We buy you back and you get
No,
late.
no, I got fried. I got fried, bro. I was trying to land. Okay, get me. You're good.
No.
Alex, come this way. Come this way now. Come this way.
Yeah.
You see me get beat from the heavens above.
In here.
Ooh, very good spot. Very good spot.
Wait, someone's in the cave. Someone's in the cave.
You're in the top 10. Keep
Dead ass. No joke. No joke. Someone's in this cave.
One behind one. Right. Oh my
Alex,
God.
Alex, come here. Alex, come here.
No.
Oh my
Yeah,
God,
that's
you.
a chomp.
Oh,
That's a chomp.
fuck.
You try to chase the rat.
stay alert.
I didn't realize there was gonna be another one behind me. Actually,
Yeah,
might
they
be
brought
okay.
him
Look,
back.
you get down there? What's going on down there?
Yeah, he's fine.
I'm trying to figure out how to get up. Someone just landed in. Hey, come to me. Come to me. Come to me. You got this? You with me here? You think we win?
I think. Shit. Oh my God, they're fighting. Yeah. They below us?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay. They might come. I'm gonna watch the stairs here.
I'm watching stairs here. I think they're your side.
They're not above, right? There's no way they can be
I
above.
think I just saw him. No, that's a dead body. No, they're right here.
I have 2 ticks in my gas mask.
One more here. Wait, someone zipped.
Behind. Window.
There's one.
Oh, there's another?
Very good. Alright, I didn't know this was there as
There
well.
was another guy.